This is a Panasonic Classic full color. Three prong. These are the prong. 1, 2, 3. And it has a grounding type which connect to this two. This one would be the neutral that has indicated on a W, and this is the line. Line is always smaller than the neutral. Let's open it. Don't then remove this one. It has a two locks, one for each side. Just don't forget to hold it. Then it can be opened like that. Sometimes if the outlet is being used, it can worn out these two locks. You can adjust it so that it's more tighter than it's used to be. See, this one should be just like that, so that it will go to the outlet, the three prong outlet, the grounding outlet. See, it's wider than it's used. So just put it in, and it's quite good, so that the contact, it's much more better. Same as the wide series. These are the locks. Same locking mechanism as the wide series. See? And it's much more easier because this is loose. From the Classic, can be seen on the box that this is okay, the solid, and this is okay, stranded. This one is a flexible that used in the automotives, the ordinary soft wires. These are the hard wires, meaning this one. This is a THHN, can use TW, but the part that you put some connectors so that it will fit properly. What they did before, this one stranded is not allowed to use, but because some complaints that they cannot use the stranded, well, Panasonic did something so that it can be used on a stranded cable like this one. What they did is, if you check this one, it has a gap to it. What they did is they removed the gap. They stretch the locks up to the maximum, like that. This one is the wire locking mechanism. This one is used. This one is the spring for the loose. When you push this one, this one is the spring of it, so that it will return. This will not lock the wire, this will. So what they did is they move it closer to the edge so that you can use the stranded. This is categorized as a stranded wire. But like that. But you should first turn it so that you should turn this so that the locking mechanism will grip much more. If you use 2.0 millimeter wire or a 2.0 millimeter wire, you can do this. You can twist it. But the problem is if you're using a 3.5 millimeter wire, you cannot, because it will not fit to this hole. This will only fit to it. So you have no choice for the 3.5 millimeter than to use is as is. Let's put it back. It's just the same. It's just reverse design. So oops, should be like that. See, if you lock it in, it will still lock, cannot be removed. So that's why we push this one to unlock. Okay, so if you're, as I said, if the outlet worn out, you can renew it, just making this one closer together so that it can hold the contact much better, because if it has a loose contact, it will just overheat. Not too much for the ground, but fix the ground anyway. Let's put it back. This one has a trick. You have to push it in first. This one has the same. It has the same design, so you can put it wherever you like. You can put it wherever you like. Just push it in. The other one. Push it in. Then we squish it together. Yeah, okay. Squish it together. Not too much. Just enough to hold. And that's it.